Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something special for you, the Ash Harbor Aromatherapy Variety Pack, which claims to be the best air freshener for empty houses. If you're looking to create a clean, cozy atmosphere in your vacant home, this could be the solution you've been searching for. Stick around as we delve into what makes this product stand out. First off, let's talk about what you get in this variety pack. It comes with 4 aromatic air vent scents, each designed to transform your empty house into a welcoming oasis. We've got sugarcane vanilla, green tea matcha, tropical spa, and luxury hotel scents to choose from. With this variety, there's something for every mood and season. Now, before we get into the details, let's take a look at the product itself. The Ash Harbor Aromatherapy Variety Pack comes compact, measuring 14 by 9 by 1.5 inches, making it incredibly easy to install in your HVAC system. Installation is a breeze. All you need to do is attach one of these AC air fresheners to your air filter, and you're good to go. No flames, no messy sprays, just effortless aromatherapy. Plus, the best part is, you can use 2 pads if you have a larger home, covering over 2,000 square feet. So, whether you have a cozy cottage or a spacious mansion, Ash Harbor has got you covered. Now, let's talk about the scents themselves. These HVAC air fresheners are designed to emit an appealing and balanced aroma for 2 to 4 weeks, depending on usage. That means your home will stay fresh and inviting even when you're not there. The sugarcane vanilla scent is perfect for creating a warm and cozy ambiance. It's like a comforting hug for your senses. If you prefer something more vibrant and energetic, the green tea matcha scent offers an earthy yet sweet aroma that can invigorate your space. And who doesn't love a tropical getaway? The tropical spa scent will transport you to a clean ocean breeze, perfect for a refreshing atmosphere. Last but not least, we have the luxury hotel scent. It's like checking into a deluxe resort every time you enter your home. Truly upscale and indulgent. With this variety pack, you can try them all and change things up whenever you like. Now, let's discuss longevity. Each of these aromatic pads lasts between 2 to 4 weeks, ensuring that your home stays fragrant for an extended period. That's a convenience you can count on. But how exactly do you use these air fresheners? It's as simple as attaching them to your HVAC filter. Just peel off the backing, stick it on, and adjust the airflow to your liking. Before we wrap things up, let's take a quick look at the product details. This aromatherapy variety pack is brought to you by Ash Harbor, a small business brand. It's available on Amazon for $39.85 for the pack of 4, which makes it an affordable option for maintaining a fresh home. Remember, the dimensions are 14 by 9 by 1.5 inches, and you get a total count of 4 aromatic pads in each pack. So, if you have an empty house or just want to keep your home smelling fresh and inviting, the Ash Harbor Aromatherapy Variety Pack might be your go-to solution. It's clean, cozy, and incredibly easy to use. That's it for today's review, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to Product Critique for more exciting product reviews. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.